This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
Welcome to Bluetooth Hacking and Security MasterClass course. This course will take you from basic ideas about how Bluetooth works to hands-on real-world testing techniques with an ethical hacking mindset. We begin with a short introduction and a quick checklist so you can prepare your lab hardware and software. Then we will cover the core theory, the difference between Bluetooth Classic and BLE, common device types and profiles, and how pairing, bonding, and basic encryption works. Next, we will learn practical hands-on skills that follows the course structure. We will start with basic scanning using common Bluetooth adapters, understanding adapters' capabilities, and performing standard and enhanced scans. Then we will move into jamming and RF experiments, including a live demo of an nRF24L01 jammer, a step-by-step Arduino-based device which we will create. In advanced scanning, we cover both Bluetooth Classic and BLE techniques for deeper device and service discovery. The denial of service section shows how DOS attack works on BLE and Classic in a controlled lab environment. For interception, you will learn to make connection with Bluetooth devices. Finally, we will tie everything together with scenario-based exercises where you plan, run, and document a full assessment and produce professional findings and remediation advice. Throughout the course, we emphasize safety, legality, and responsible reporting. Only run labs on devices you own or have permission to test, and follow the provided checklist. If you are ready to build practical Bluetooth offensive and defensive skills that works in real engagements, let's get started. Thank you.